Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to prepare a very delicious boiled curry. It will be chicken with winter melon. Along with that I'm going to have foxnut salad. So let's start preparing them. The ingredients are winter melon from my garden, and I've got some chicken, ginger and garlic, onion. Ako yung si winter melon already am hawdo. Ado yung giran tharaga asom oyam gre ado so organic ni na dum dukan gi asom dukan gi hindi hawi hai winter melon is very nice. It's good for health. Here I've finished chopping them. In the pot put the chicken. No oil, nothing, just put the chicken in empty pot. Now I'll put the winter melon. It's a simple boiled recipe. Ginger and garlic and onion. Put everything. Salt to taste. A pinch of turmeric powder, chili powder. If you want, you can use the fresh green chilies or bujolokia. You can mix it up nicely. This is how happen in Thong Mane ko siya. Adu kasi da ay hayro hap ke. Kefir lime, it's optional. Hayro hap rege. Cover and cook it. Cook in medium flame. Marap to hot view. Make sure you stir in between. Let's put some hot water. Not much. Around 1 cup. 1 cup kung hap na yam habri. Mai masai mehi yam thoye si winter melon si adogi thong half yam haboy. I just put 1 cup of water because the winter melon will release its own juice. Cook the curry until done. Cook in medium flame. Put some Mexican coriander. Chamroy hapsi. You can use coriander leaves. The smell is amazing. Yummy. Let's check whether it's cooked or not. If the winter melon is soft, then the chicken is also cooked. Yes, it's cooked. Here, while mixing, you will get a thick gravy. So mix up gravy is thick. It's done. It's cooked. Here, I put little bit of water only, but still there are lots of gravy. So don't put too much of water. This is done. Ingredients for the Thangjing salad is foxnut, and I've got one bujolokia, fresh one. Let's start preparing the salad. First, I'll roast the Thangjing. Don't touch with hand. It's very sharp. By roasting it, we are burning the thorn, and it slightly cooked the foxnut as well. Once the thorns are burnt, then it's ready. Let's cool it down. Peel the outer cover of the Thangjing. We eat the outer cover of the seeds. I have roasted the bujolokia. Salt to taste. Crush the chili. I have roasted the fermented fish. Some garlic. A little bit of water. Here it's done. Yare. This is a very basic foxnut salad. In this salad, you can put steamed fish or fried fish. That is much better. See, this is yam. I am how to same style same money. Thangjing. Morok me to see. Nga so happy ko nga happy the yam hawe. Dung si nga later. Ado yi so may si style yam summer style same here. Haurani manam sidi saramdaida padigom ga pyas hapchige. The ingredients for making passion fruit squash is passion fruits and sugar. That's all. Just 2 ingredients. My cousin sister has brought passion fruits from Mumbai. This is how we used to make passion fruit squash. Yummy. Look at that. How many? Passion fruit ke hai mehi shemge. Fazan mungre se je. Koi ju fazan koi gre. Mai room the koi ne shudum yo number. I pura oh hai be pura yo man. It's not much. I have got just 2 tablespoons of passion fruit pulp. No problem. I'll just make it a little bit of squash. Sugar, not much. 3 tablespoons of sugar I have used. If I need more, I will use it. Passion fruit chini ka hapre. Duba. So my pulp ko ngai tau bai mo. Direct ising da to su yare duba ising ka tau. I love passion fruit. The smell of passion fruit is so amazing. Not only the smell, the taste. I love passion fruit. Yeah. I'm just mixing it so that the pulp will, separate. In a pot, I'll put around 1 cup of water. My passion fruit is very less, that's why I'm using just 1 cup of water. I'll put the passion fruit pulp and the sugar. Look at the color, it's amazing, bright yellow. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Check for the sugar. If you need more, you can use. I didn't put any color. This is just its natural color. Just try this out. It's just amazing. And you can store this in fridge. I have put just 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can reduce the amount if you want. But this is squash, so you need some sugar. You can even use sugar free. It's done. Let's switch it off. Strain the squash. You can boil furthermore till it's thick consistency like squash. When you touch it, it should be sticky, but this is just little bit only. So I don't want to waste any further by boiling it down. 1 cup put pudo reduce tauhan bi yae tangkhai ising de tangkhai tan put tok bi yae adu I put loi I waste downing dre sisi gi di squash ani humrak thala loire downe du gi the reduce tauhan dre. Let it cool down and it's ready to be served. You can keep it in fridge. Now it's time to enjoy the dishes. Howjarage ngisi gi mathel se utchage. This is boiled chicken with ashgot. Torbot ka yen thong bu do ne se. Asi manung sa oire manung sa ngau bani. This is special Thangjing and my varieties of salad. And this is my today's passion fruit squash. I've already mixed with water. Let's start enjoying. This is my chutney. I have fried the fermented fish, king chili, mujolokia, and garlic. Let's take it out a little bit. And I'll keep this back in fridge and put a little bit of water and salt. This is my dipping sauce. The thum darkar the win krake tan tum da zikti ki sani ko sab hongi winter melon and chicken curry. This recipe has been given to me by my auntie. I love this curry. However, the curry is so refreshing, fresh, and it doesn't taste like just plain boiled. It tastes like fried curry. I just love this curry. It's just amazing. The winter melon has absorbed the chicken flavor, so it just tastes like chicken, full of flavor. Isn't Howard? Try this recipe. You will definitely love it. Manung sa fry ni Howard, marok sai. green chili happy, green chili, garlic, ginger, matrobi kra, piyaz kra hai habra, simple frying out jabni. Yum dadi thong mane mahiga puri ga chai. Fox nut salad. After a long time I'm having it. Oh, so spicy, but it's very tasty. Shy not so shy. How I Thangjing no shy daddy how very spicy. We eat only the flesh. The flesh is just little bit only. And this is the seed. I'll just roast it and have it later. How I Thangjing sa the pure. Wow. My favorite wing beans. Si Thangjing I chara pusi khara fry tau su chai nga hab da ba adun yam hawe hen hawe si su hawe du su hawe. Asi Maitai lon ni kri ko bra di khang de akhoi lon de thing thal ko we se nauri mru se mutrubi na te hawe phajana nungsiam nang di si saga met bisu haw ne ya saga nga ga met bisu fox nut salad. It's very nice, but it's very spicy. I put one bujolokia, that's why it's very spicy. There's nothing much to it, just a little bit of the flesh, but we love the flavor and the taste. It's a delicacy in Manipur. And this is my homemade squash, passion fruit squash. Wow, so refreshing. How this is earthen pot, very strong. We call it lungpi phu. This is a Tangkhul product. This pot is made in a Tangkhul village called Lungpi. That's why we call it Lungpi phu. Phu means pot. This is called Yango. It comes in big size. We use this for cleaning the rice, pulses and everything. I ordered this in small size for plate. So this is very handy. You can even wash it with brush. And this is Tahitian spinach. Look wise it's similar to RD, colocasia, but it's very different. This is not irritating at all when touching. Yendem ni merok the nak bergesang ya, look bergesang ya. However, the smell of this trinkle is very nice. It's not spicy. We eat only because of the smell. Karoni, I'm about to address him now. Try the wing city. Kizuki car, car. Monma the car being make a car, try the him. Bitter gourd. In Konde Hek Places, yeah. Khai. It's very bitter, I can't have it. It's not for me. Alright. Thangjing hi cha di cha ning yam shai morok si mathang da nga khra ha bu More than chicken, I like the winter melon. Organic oil. This is my all-time favorite. Some are asking about this name. This is called wing beans. So good. Ngasi hindi si wine loisinjari mayambu thagatsari. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and click the bell icon as well. Take care. Bye.